In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how you can disable and turn off your Apple ID password. So this is a very simple thing to do. The first thing we need to do is head over to our settings. We now need to scroll down from the top of our page right here and then select screen time. Once we click on screen time, scroll down, click on content and privacy restrictions. And then from here, you want to select iTunes and App Store purchases. Once we select this, make sure that you click on don't require. And then once we have selected that option right there, we can head back over now to our settings page. And then we want to select Face ID and passcode. Click on this, enter in your passcode. And then once we enter in our passcode, we now want to disable the option for iTunes and App Store. Once we disable this, you will now be able to head back over to your home screen. You will be able to go to your App Store and you will then be able to find the app you want to download. So for example, if I just find one that I haven't downloaded right here, as you can see, I will download this one. It currently says get, which means I haven't actually downloaded this before. Usually what will happen is once you click on get, it will ask you then for a password, but now I've turned the password option off, so it will no longer ask me for the password. So let's click on get right here. As you can see, it will then pop up with this right here, and then you can simply just click on install. Once we do this, it will say done, and then if we head back over now to our home screen, as you can see, this app is now downloading without the requirement of the password. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.